come outside. Oh, I missed that show. Rest in peace, Archie Mabel. As you can see right there, I'm going through just a bunch of my DJI clips. So this video is going to be a random concoction of, I think this was a little bitch. April or May or whatever it was. Let's try and find this one out for Sunny Bob Jim. It was apparently the 5th of the 4th. This year, so enjoy whatever these are. I'll probably do the videos like this every so often, just random concoction videos that I've just filmed for months. I didn't know what I was doing with, so enjoy. Yeah. Why are you still here? Do you love me? Tell me you love me deep, honey. Another day, another dollar, as they say. I don't have my phone, so I don't know the exact time. Sounds good. Doomy, gloomy, typical UK weather, but I'll go to the gym. No music today. That's just gonna be weird. Where's horrid weather here in the UK? No, like a douchebag vlogger. That's because I am. Just hate vlogger, I love the equation. I'm just a douchebag anyway. Anyway, let's get to the gym. I'm tired today. But it was like I was doing everything. I was like, oh, I don't want to go to the gym today because I don't have X, Y, Z. But it's like, no excuses, let's just go there. I don't have my phone today, so I can't listen to music. I have to listen to whatever the gym's playing. Which sucks, but what can you do, I suppose? And it's a good thing I know my combination now, because I almost didn't remember it before. Anyway, let's head straight to the gym that way. Yoink. We're here. Oh, pigeon. Pidgey. Anyway, can't film in here, so let's go in, I suppose. Oh, it's chilly today. Thanks. Give me my... Don't get still. I've got my water bottles. Thank you for taking my money, because I'm dumb and I forgot stuff. They got all look like pretty stuff here. Anyway, time to start filming. You can see me up here though. I stand like there. Hello, me. I don't know which one to try today. I lifted weights, that was all I really did today. Not really so focused on the cardio. I had one of these last time, a bake thing. I might try this chocolate chip brownie thing. Give me my brownie or whatever it is I selected. Let's go. The weight dashes it at the floor. Not like he did the most hardest workout, and I know these things aren't always the best, but you know, it's quick protein at the end of the day. It's not like it's going to make me mega chubby or anything. I might eat it in here, so it's walking around. But it's a little bit more drier out there. I kind of want to do some parkour in. So I'm going to have my food. And then, yeah. Ooh. I think it's just basically a lump of chocolate. It's a little bit dry. I'll save the rest for later. This does feel like a quarantine thing, like I've got a disease. Okay. Let's see what it's like out here. I know people don't like filming in the gym and stuff. I don't mind it, but yeah, let's go over here. I might try a few minutes of parkour. Just a brief session. The reason why I didn't really work out long is because right now I don't currently have my phone. I have to get the screen replaced. and normally I have everything on my phone planned, and without it it's just awkward for me anyway. Like, I usually listen to music. That's the one thing that helps me concentrate, because the gym music, as I said, sucks. It's not very good, but it's very quiet. I'm in my own zone. Loads of people like music when they work out, but I embrace the uncomfortable. And at one point, I remember this specifically, just at one point I was by the mirror and I said to myself, I feel self-conscious, but I pushed through it. I carried on doing the reps, and then I rested, and then I brought what you just saw. Yeah, I really want to try a tiny bit of parkour. It's been a while. The security a bit annoying here. I've been kicked off here before, so yeah, I'll try and film like a tidgy bit of the parkour. Okay, we're gonna have to go POV because I can't set the camera up. We can't see anything. Okay, enjoy this next bit of POV training, I suppose. Okay. Start off really small. We're gonna try 10 climb ups. We're gonna try those. Okay, here we go. 1. Oh, it's sick on the shoulder. 2. 3. Okay, I still got it. 4. 5. 6. As you can tell, I'm getting fatigued. I've not done any of these in a long time. We're 6, 7 there, that's it. 7 in the car, put me off. 8. 9. Last but not least, 10. 10 volts, 10 climb ups. I keep going in volt ups, not called that. Should know this. I'm gonna try and set the camera. I don't obviously believe in filming the whole session, so I'm gonna do stuff off camera, but I can only film a little bit, damn it. My video. Okay, that'll do. Even though I've got a dodgy hand, the reverse faults are still doable. I always get people stop here because they don't know what I'm doing. That cookie's making me feel putrid. Okay. That's gonna be fine up there. Granted, this camera is magnetic, so. Because I woke up so early today, barely any of the shops up here are open. There's only Tesco. Strange. I'm used to the shops being open. I don't think I'm getting any shopping because it's like far too early. But yeah, I don't want to make this video too boring. So nothing else happens, it'll just cut to another day when I'm wearing probably the same exact clothes. But I swear it's a different day. I'm up here so early today. The shopping centre's not even open. I can't even waltz in here yet. Oh well, it looks like I can go back home then. No shopping for me today. Damn it, man. Well, Tesco's open, I won't pop in there. I need to wash my hands as well. Parkour makes your hands really grubby. No one's gonna want to come near me because I'm gross. What are you doing? Going. Oh. Tell us about we can breathe. Where did you go? Dude, where did you go? What am I not doing? What you do? Come on, then. Come here. Where did you go? There's a map right behind you. I think it's a. Oh, look, you got your own go. Tells that you're an action star. Oh, it is. I have to make sure this isn't choking him or anything. Luckily, he's got quite the fat rolls, so he'll be quite protected. We did this before. So it'd be fun to take you for a walk and then, pour then. Give us your paw. Do you want some ham? Come on. Don't drop it on the floor though, just wait. Oh, sit. Sit. Just sit down. I'll give you a piece. A piece. Oh, lovely ham. So sit. Oh, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. A day in the life of Cass. Did you enjoy you? Tess, where did she go? I don't know. That's what you did. Why do you think it's more for more? You found me! Thought you're so weird now. I don't know what the camera can see.
Oh yeah, you bloody toys in me.
Target. Fancy you coming out?
I come round to the dog this morning. I think she's had enough now.
Oh wait, Tassie's looking. Target. Doug.
Say hello. You won't say hello to me then.
That's amazing. Look, it's your best pal.
Oh, she has spit at him. Nah, she's had enough now.
Joyce. I had to just try and get that on
Good
camera
lad,
then, because I
Joyce.
wanted to. That's why you run your back legs. Running to the bus stop. I just had to go to work out today myself. We're on the bus now. I'm with that. Yeah, I'm with my sister, unfortunately. You know, ruined my life. She's listening to music. Oh yeah, that's all. Just wanted to update. Yeah, what I'm going to do now is the time lapse of the shed being built, so enjoy. Chris just went inside it, so you may have damaged the bottom. I feel like he only gave it a slight kick at the damage now.
Accidents. Got no grip.
That's it. I can't get. Worst is when me and Charles pick someone up, we always end up laughing like maniacs at the.
There we go.
Oh.
That's worth a beer. In a minute. You want to look inside, Mum? That's your wonderful shit all right. Oh, no, that's it,
A bit lifts up.
It's alright, isn't it?
You could probably put. Shame you couldn't put your scooter in this.
I've already thought of that one.
This looks more like a scooter shed.
I've already thought of that one.
I was thinking it's got 2 doors and Mum could easily just ride it out, but it's getting it out the shed if you put your scooter in there.
Got to get reverse on an angle. Down, that's up. So that goes easier, that goes harder. Brake, these do turn, so be just trying to hold it there so you don't.
Yeah.
I've been off the once, it was always from. I went to grab it and it pushed down like that, and then
Why do they move?
The deck. It's because they're not glued on. They should be, but you know I ain't got the glue, hence why I put these.
I mean, you're gonna go like down the road and
Do
back.
whatever you need to do, just bear in mind. You pedal like that, you can do it, it's just very awkward to pedal.
Yeah, in the gym I'm used to the strap, but obviously you're.
Yeah, the strap goes round.
Enjoy.
Yeah, I've not been on a bike in so long. Problem is my brother's seat's really high up. I'll just use my shoes. It's all bad. Oh, I'm busy getting pants out without a seat. Feels kind of nice. Yeah, you done. Yeah, that seat must have gone in my bum in the amount of times. Hey! Hey! Hey, Chelsea, have you been in the flat today? Thanks for doing that. Thanks, pal. The extreme. Actually, no mad ones.
You want to press some red scissors, can you put them back in the drawer?
Right side, I think. Oh, Chris is currently using them to cut the
But
tape.
he could have said, I thought I'd lost them somewhere.
No, he's currently. I think he's got them in his hands right this second. While he's putting the tape on his
Is
bike.
that what he's using it for? Piss off.
I felt like it was like a game then. You had the camera behind. That was in.
So come on, move.
That was on the bed. This way. Right, I'm gonna hide from the beast. Hello, Tuss. Do you like your pads?
Hey, don't kick.
Tosh makes some weird noises. Look at that ear. Your ear's gone floppy dog. There you go, pal. There you go. Do the happy face. DVD player. Old people use these.
Peter, shut up. These are coming back in fashion, I beg your pardon.
Yeah, I don't think DVDs will die out anytime soon.
They was going that way till they put prices on these
Streaming services.
Lots of people are going back to DVD. And that on there, I wouldn't have to bought this if that on the telly worked properly.
Just say hello.
It's broke.
Outfit. That's
Bastard.
hopefully it's not the insides. That shouldn't have come like that. Where did you order this from?
Amazon.
I don't know if it's just the plastic or the.
I needed that as well.
I think if you. Yeah, Mum had a DVD player coming and damaged. Oh, you can zoom in. Ooh. Don't really see the point in that. Why that's even necessary to go. Ooh. I suppose it's kind of good, I suppose, but we really don't want it. We want it one time, thank you. Learned a lot about this thing today. Aren't we? Why? Why do you lick? Oh, me and Tuss for days. You tired? No, Tuss, after going whatever noise you just did. Bad act.
I ain't gonna bother sending it back, what's the point? I'm gonna have to wait again. We'll see. So I need to put some sticky tape on there to put on top of there.
Tuss, how do you produce such a sound?
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any